Hey everyone, thanks so much for coming to watch this video, and you'll be happy you did because I'm going to show you this multi-purpose pop socket for your phone. So obviously it works to hold on to your phone, works as a stand, and these are made out of candy or lip balm, and I also experimented with a fidget spinner, so make sure you watch to the very end. Alright, so let's get started. So this is my phone case. It doesn't matter what phone case you have, of course, and here's my lip balm. So this is an EOS, an EOS, I don't know, I've been corrected so many times on either way. So you have this, they're quite heavy, so we're gonna have to use some glue gun or some super glue, and I have a little water bottle lid just so I can slide my fingers in between the lip balm container and the phone case. So I'm just making sure that my fingers do slip in there and they work good. So I'm gonna glue this lid to my phone case and I'm gonna put it right in the middle. And just make sure it's nice and secure because the lip balm container is quite heavy, and especially when you put candy in it, which I'm going to show you, it gets even heavier. So you want to make sure that the support here is quite secure. So that's that. And now this is the lid. So this is really important because you want to be able to screw off the base, which contains the lip balm or the candy. So here's my very well used glue gun. I'm so sorry that's so dirty. It's definitely time to get a new one. But you're going to put glue on the inside of the water bottle lid. And there you go. This is after it dried. So this is the lip balm. It's nice and secure. And I have my pop socket. Oh my goodness, check it out. So cool. And it also functions as lip balm. So check it out. Dum-de-dum-de-dum. Hey, I'm just gonna put some lip balm on. Awesome. And that's not all. So once you have your lip balm, once you've taken your selfie, maybe you wanna watch a video or something, and you just rest your phone down and it works as a perfect stand. Okay, so time to make this a little bit more fun. Here I have an empty EOS container and I'm gonna coat it with a little bit of oil, and I am gonna fill this up with Jolly Ranchers. So if you like the lip balm idea, awesome, and if you run out of lip balm, you can fill it up with candies. This is super easy. It comes in 3 parts, and if you've never seen me snap off the middle part before, please check out my other videos, or you just need to slide a knife under the middle piece and you're good to go. So I have Jolly Ranchers here. Please be careful when you microwave candy. Make sure that you have adult supervision, and also make sure that you have a container with a handle on it because this actually does get quite hot and you want to make sure that you are careful. I microwave this maybe for 30 seconds, and you always want to be checking on it every 10 seconds. After that, you can see it's bubbling. It's quite hot. So I'm going to stir out all the air bubbles, and then you're going to have a better looking candy at the end. And all you have to do is pour it into your container. So you're using the lid. A lot of people ask me, how do you get that egg shape for the candy? And it's the lid. So you're gonna have the lid upside down. You're gonna screw the middle piece on, and you're gonna pour the candy through the middle grate. And then you're gonna put that in the fridge or freezer. So here I go, I'm pouring it in. And remember, this is the lid. I'm just resting it in the base of the lip balm container. And it's all full, so I'm just gonna try to get out some air bubbles here. You can just tap, tap, tap it. So I'm just gonna rest it in the fridge until it cools off, and then we're good to go. So this is after it's solid, just like that, the beauty of video. And you're just gonna snap on the base, slowly turn it, and it should come out pretty easy because the oil. And then voila, there you have your candy. Look at that. That is Jolly Ranchers. So, and the cool part is that we're gonna glue this to your phone for your pop socket. And then you also have a phone stand, and you also have a little candy to stuck on. Okay, let's try another variation using Skittles. So I have this pink container here, and you can see it in the 3 parts. I'm gonna do some rainbow. So I have my red, orange, yellow, green, blue, and purple, and pink. I've only microwaved these for about 10 seconds, so they're not completely melted, but soft enough that I can just smush them. And I do really like the cracked look of Skittles. So I'm gonna place them around strategically so you can get that sort of rainbow effect, and you will have that cracked Skittles look. So it's gonna look pretty awesome. So because this isn't a liquid, I waited to put on the middle piece, so now I put that on. I melt a couple more Skittles, and I just sort of shove them in the hole until I know that everything is filled up. Sometimes I use the base like I'm showing you here, and then you wait until it cooled off, and there you have it. So this is the final product of the Skittle EOS, which eventually will be our pop socket and our phone stand. So I'm always really happy with how these Skittle ones turns out because Skittles are just so delicious and amazing. So I've already put glue on the water bottle lid, and I'm just gonna put my EOS container there and wait till it's done. And then you have your own EOS Skittle candy treat, pop socket, and of course a phone stand as well. This next pop socket I'm going to make is a different Skittles variation from the one that you just saw. So I'm going to use this water bottle, trimming off the lid to make sort of a cup. So just make it the size that you would like. I don't want mine too big, and I want it nice and even on top. And it's going to be able to hold about 10 Skittles when I'm done with this. I'm going to use the packaging from my Skittles bag to create a nice background for my phone case. Make sure you cut out a hole for the camera. Put some glue on the lid of your container and secure that to your phone case. To secure your Skittles, you can just use a little bit of plastic wrap and an elastic. And on to the last pop socket I'm making, which is out of fidget spinners, because why not? So here's my fidget spinner, and I'm going to use my handy dandy bottle cap here again, and I'm just going to glue it on my phone case, and just like that, you glue your fidget spinner on, and you have an awesome phone case with a fidget spinner attached. So this really is handy because you have your phone, and you can sort of flick it at the same time, which is really fun. And if you prefer, you can also make the space between the fidget spinner and the phone case a little bit bigger, as with the water bottle cap, it doesn't quite stand up as a stand. So if you want to make it a legitimate stand, you want to have a little bit more in between your fidget spinner and the phone case. So you could use a cork, you could use more than one bottle lid, whatever you think would be best. Well, that's the end of this video, everyone, so thanks so much for watching right to the very end. I hope you enjoyed it, and make sure that you comment, share, like. I always love hearing from you guys. Thanks.